Puna Yam, yele yele, Puna Yam, yele yele. Hi, welcome to ggmix. Today I'm going to show you how to peel, cut and boil Puna Yam so you can have a tasty carb on your plate that will soak up all the delicious flavours of your stews. So let's get started. Puna Yam is a Ghanaian and African root vegetable with like bark-like skin and like white flesh inside, and it's got like the texture of like potato, you know, like the dryness of it, and it tastes a bit like chestnuts. The first time I had it was when I first met my husband, and he made it for me with some stew, and I was pleasantly surprised. It's like, you know, when you have rice or pasta with like a stew or a sauce and they balance the sauce out, this is what the yam does as well. So if you make like a proper like flavourful stew with so much flavour and it's like proper concentrated, this will balance it out so it's not too concentrated, not so impactful, and it just tastes really well. But what this does that other carbs don't do, the yam doesn't get soggy, so it keeps its texture and it stays firm. So you know, like when you're eating a stew and you've got a bit of meat and you've got a bit of texture to it, so it's not just all saucy and mushy. This is what the yam does. When you like dip it into your sauce and you eat it, it's got the texture and it tastes so nice, and it takes the stew to the next level. Trust me, if you haven't tried yam with stew, you've got to try it. So let's get started. Cut the ends off of your yam and then cut it into 3 to 4 centimetre thick slices. Place each piece flat side down, and with your knife slice the skin off as thin as you can, like this. My husband likes to have big chunks and the girls like their pieces smaller, so I cut a variety of sizes. They all cook with the same amount of time because they are all the same thickness, so don't worry about having different sized pieces. As long as they are the same thickness, you're good to go. Then put them in a colander and rinse them really well to get off any bits of skin and starch off. Add your yam to a saucepan and fill it with cold water so it comes 3/4 of the way up your yam, like this, and boil on a medium heat. Halfway through, go give them a stir to make sure that they don't stick to your pan. You'll know when it's cooked when it gets a jelly-like coating on top and it's still firm inside, like this. If it's too soft inside, it'll be too mushy and there'll be no texture when you eat it with your stew, and the stew needs some kind of texture. I love eating yam with contemporary Ghanaian spinach and lamb stew with some fried plantain for sweetness and crunch. I will be filming my contemporary recipe really soon, so make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload it. And if you want to know how to bake, boil, fry and grill plantain, I've got a video for that, and I'll leave a link to that video below. You don't just have to have Ghanaian stew with your yam, you can mix it up with any kind of stew and saucy food. I like to give my yam a Greek Ghana mix and eat it with bamiyas, a Greek okra stew and plantain. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and share. And if you want to keep up to date with all my latest videos, please subscribe below. So until next time, bye!